Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is a cookware set. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and basically for this set right here it comes with 8 different pieces. So if you can see on the side right here, they probably got information in terms of what is actually included in here, and I'll show you guys what everything looks like in a second. But basically if you can see right here, they mention how the product works in many different ways. So that we use a gas stove top, electric stove top, a ceramic stove top, induction cooktop, and halogen as well. And if you see in the bottom right corner right there, they explain to you what is actually on here and the material that they have. So definitely everything that's on here is aluminum, and definitely for the interior of the product is like non-stick. So if you guys want to pan fry stuff like making eggs or whatever, you can definitely do that on here. And they also mentioned the way how they designed the handle part actually supposed to stay cool, so that way you guys don't have to worry about burning yourself. And also for the product here, they do mention how it's actually oven safe. So when you put the whole entire thing in the oven, you can definitely do that as well. And basically on the bottom of the pot, it's supposed to have like a stainless steel material that basically works for induction cooktops. And definitely for some of the products in here, it actually probably got a lid. So I'm actually opening up to show you guys everything inside first. So when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So you definitely have the 2 lids on top. Alright, so once we take off the lid right there, right underneath that, you can see we do have the pot. So we do have a small one and a big one right here. And inside right here, there's another lid. So I'm actually take off this layer as well. Alright, so once we take off that layer right there, right underneath that, right here we have that small little pot. And we take this off. You basically have these 2 frying pan options right here, and that is basically everything that's included right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these different pots on here, but I'm gonna take everything out to show you guys a better point of view of the product. And inside you can see the product got a user manual to teach you guys how to use it and also how to maintain as well in terms of how to actually clean it. Alright, so right here is the first one. When you guys feel the handle part right here, it feels really nice and very smooth. And definitely see the way how they designed the part right here, it definitely will give you guys a good grip when you guys put your hand on here. And right here, they do have the option for you guys to hang it on somewhere if you guys want to like that. But definitely see on the side right here, it looks like they have like a hammer design on the side that looks pretty nice. And then inside right here, it definitely has like the non-stick coating on here. And then here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So they do have the brand logo right there and the stainless steel part right here. And definitely you can hear the material on here. It definitely sounds like a high quality aluminum material. And we see right here, the way how they attach it together is definitely pretty cool as well. So definitely should be pretty sturdy when you guys use it. So that is the first one right here. Here we have the second one. When you guys take this one out, it's definitely much bigger, but everything is basically the same design for the handle part, the interior, and outside as well. So when you guys put both of them side by side, you can definitely see the difference on here. It's definitely slightly bigger, but definitely everything is the same. So that is the second pot. Here we have the third one, which is saute pan. So when you guys take it out, this actually looks right here. So definitely give you guys a handle part right here, and also a handle on this side as well. So that way you guys have 2 ways to actually carry it. And definitely for the inside right here, it has a non-stick coating as well. And this is basically what the bottom part looks like. And here's what it looks like on the side right here. And right here is basically what the lid looks like. When you guys feel the material on here, it is real glass. And the way how they designed the top part right here, it definitely gives you guys like a non-stick material to give you guys a very good grip. This is basically what the product looks like when you guys put it all together. And definitely you can see on top of the lid right here, there's a little hole. So that way it actually allows the steam to come out. So that is basically what it looks like for the third one that we got right here. Whereas the fourth one right here, this one they call this a round casserole pot. They give you guys the 2 handle part on the side right here. It definitely will get good grip when you guys use it because of the way how they design it. And right here you can see this actually looks like in the bottom part. And this actually looks like inside. And then right here is on the side. And for this one, they also give you guys a lid as well. Let me actually put the lid on top. This is basically what the overall product looks like once you guys put the lid together. So that is the 4th pot right here. And then right here we do have the last and final one, which is a round sauce pot. This is basically actually looks like for this one right here. So if you guys want to make like a small little meal or just make some sauces or whatever, you can definitely use that on here. So this actually looks like inside. Right here we do have the handle part. The handle part is basically like the same design. Here's what actually looks like in the bottom. And here's what actually looks like from the side. And with this part right here, it also comes with a lid. So this lid is also made out of glass. But when you guys put it together, this is basically what the product looks like. So those are all the different pots that's included for you guys right here. And basically for the hammer design that I was referring to on the side, they call it the 3D diamond texture design. And do mention the way how they design all these pots right here. It actually spreads out the heat evenly when you guys turn on the fire or whatever. So that is basically everything that's included in the product right here. Let me put this on the table to show you guys what actually looks like all together. And then we'll actually test out 1 of these or 2 of these and see how it works and when it works first. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so you can see we actually take out all of them and put it on the table. This is what it actually looks like for each one of these right here. So you definitely have a small frying pan, a bigger one right here, a saucepan, and right here we do have the saute pan, and right here we do have the casserole pot. So this is basically everything that's included for you guys in this set right here. Let me actually go use one of them and test out the non-stick coating to see when it actually works. Alright, so for this test, I'm going to use this frying pan right here, which is the bigger version. And I do have an induction cooktop, you can see right here. And basically what I'm going to do is crack an egg on top and then cook it. So definitely right out the bat, you can see the non-stick material on here definitely does work. Alright, so that should be good. Let's crack the egg on top. Right. So definitely see the product is non-stick. Let's crack this part right here. So even before we actually add oil on here, you can definitely see the product it is non-stick, where nothing sticks on the bottom. And when you guys are done cooking, it's definitely really easy for you guys to pour it out as well. So just like this. And it's all set. And definitely when you guys wash the product, you want to let it cool down first before you guys wash it. Because if you guys pour like cold water instantly on here, it might damage like the coating on here over time. But that is basically how you guys use the product right here. You can see it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So next quick test, the product definitely actually does work and it works quite well. I definitely love everything that's actually included for you guys in this whole entire set. Basically everything looks like a high quality product. From the aluminum material to the non-stick coating to the stainless steel material on the bottom, and also the fact that how the handle actually stays cool, that is actually really cool as well. But that is basically everything for this product here. Now to come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for some high quality non-stick cookwares. That's everything that's included in this set right here. Where you guys can actually use it in multiple types of stovetop, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.